Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the latency on your controller to your PlayStation 5, the input lag. So the easiest thing to do is go to the home screen, go up to the top and go to settings, scroll on down until we get to where it says screen and video. Go to the right and go on down. And we want to go to where it says 120 Hertz output and just set this to automatic. Then also, if we have the option for VRR, this allows for the variable refresh rate to adjust in real time to your TV and games. So go ahead and just turn on and it'll make things less blurry or hitched, or there will be less tearing on your screen. But the most important setting on here is Auto Low Latency Mode. This is game mode. It will reduce the input lag on your controller and TV. It will make it much quicker. So have this turned on right here. And then also, you might have this setting enabled or whatever, or you try to, and it says your TV's not supporting it. Your TV, if you go to the settings, probably has game mode somewhere on it. So on mine, this is under the picture settings. Yours could be under like system or something like that. You can see picture, select mode, game optimizer is enabled right here. So my TV supports game mode right here, but it also supports it on the PlayStation 5. This is the biggest thing that's going to really help you with your TV. Find the game mode setting somewhere on your TV. I would say most TVs have this option somewhere. Then also, if we go on down to accessories, and then go on over to controller, we want to use communication method, USB. If we are not selecting USB, even though your controller is plugged in, it's still going to be connecting to your PlayStation with Bluetooth, and USB is going to be just a quicker connection. It's not going to be interrupted or anything like that. Now, one last thing is we want to turn on the performance mode under where it says save data and game app settings. This is going to make your game feel much more responsive. So just set it to performance mode over resolution mode. If it's in 30 frames per second in the quality mode, it's going to seem like the entire screen is very laggy. You bump it up to resolution, the 60 Hz mode or 120 Hz mode, everything is going to feel so much smoother when you're looking around on the screen. So go ahead and adjust that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.